Let's go. Read. أعوذ بالله بسم الله.
أيوة. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I am just marking. Yeah, you have to read the marked word where I'm marking. This one. Spell it and pronounce. Yep.
What's the first one?
Yeah, this one. Hudan. Ha dammahu.
ضمه.
Yep.
فتاتين.
This one is ha dammahu, and this one
فتاتين.
dal. This one is dal. The word is hudan. Dal fathatain dan.
دال فتحتين دن. هدى.
Okay, this one.
لام فتحة لا. ها فتحة ح. كسرتين بن. لعب.
Yeah, mashallah. That's better. And this one.
نون فتحة نا. ح كسرة هي.
خا كسراخي. خا كسراخي. ناخي.
خا كسرة خي ناخي. را فتحة را ناخيرة.
Make ra heavy. ناخيرة. ناخيرة.
ناخيرة. ناخيرة. فتحة. ناخيرة. ناخيرة.
Okay, read this word.
I forget it. This.
Listen. This complete is on all the letters standing fatha. Completely on these letters are standing fatha, like ba alif saghira ba, ya alif saghira ya. Yeah, this fatha sign or this short alif, a small alif, just all together is called alif saghira. I mean, if I draw here, if I write here ba, so it doesn't mean ba fatha and a small alif. It means ba alif saghira ba fatha and this alif saghira together. Ba alif saghira ba. Then next letter is ya. Yeah.
Ya. Ya alif saghira ya.
Yes.
Ra. Ra. Mim alif saghira ma. Lam alif saghira la.
Okay, now this word.
I forget that one.
صاد ألف صغيرة صا.
صاد ألف صغيرة صا. سين ألف صغيرة شا. فا ألف صغيرة فا. قاف ألف صغيرة قا.
Okay, this one. Yeah, small ya means ya saghira. With this kasra and with this kasra, if there is kasra and small ya, this like and hamza. So hamza ya saghira I.
Hamza ya saghira I.
Ha ya saghira hi. And it's similar to, listen. It's similar to, like I write here, ha kasra ya sukun. Similar sound. Ha kasra ya sukun hi. And ha kasra ha kasra, and small ya is
ها
ha ya
هي
saghira hi. Yes.
ها يا صغيرة هي ها
Mhm.
يا صغيرة هي واو واو صغيرة
Wow saghira vu.
واو واو صغيرة وو
Yes, like ha wow saghira and ha dhamma wow hu. So ha wow saghira.
وو
Yes, who. Like we say in English,
وو
WHO. Who? Who did it? So ha wow saghira hu. Okay, similar sound. Yes, this one hamza wow saghira.
همزة واو صغيرة وو
Okay. Now let's take these 5 letters from this page. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. You can see qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. How many letters? Qaf, ta, ba, jim,
جيم
dal.
دال
These are 5 letters called huruful qalqala.
حروف القلقلة
Huruful qalqala. What does it mean? In the next lesson, we're going to learn, but I am just trying to explain it here. Like if any letter out of these is sakin, any letter has a sukoon sign on it, okay, and any haraka before one letter, so the sound is gonna be like echo sound. The sound will turn back. Like I draw here hamza fatha and ba. Hamza fatha and ba has a sukoon sign. So hamza fatha ba sukoon ab, not ab. No, ab, ab. The sound will turn back like we throw a tennis ball to the wall and it turns back. So ab,
أب
ab. You got it?
أب
Yes. Like I make sakin qaf, so aqa. I make sign ta, so ata. If I make sakin ba, ab. If I make sakin jim, aj. If I make sakin dal, ad.
هذا
Otherwise,
And
in
what do you
all the
need
letters, the sound should not turn back. Like
what do you
us.
need to say what do you
Huh?
need to say before that
Before any before like if the letter is sakin, so there should be any letter before that sakin letter which has fatha, dhamma, kasra, tanween, or anything, because we can't read any word which is starting by sakin letter. We can't read that.
okay
So there should be any haraka, the letter which has haraka before that sakin letter. So like if by sakin and we have to try to pronounce it, so there should be hamza fatha or hamza kasra or like ha fatha or any letter, dal fatha, dal fatha, dal fatha ba sukun dab, dab. Okay.
okay
And if I say dal fatha sin sukun, so it is like das, not das, das. We have to,
بس
yeah, we have to stop the sound and don't let it turn back. Clear?
okay
If you got it, the next letter is the next lesson is very easy. Okay, let's see. There are huruful maddi wal leen. Okay, I think not here. We have done this lesson, I think, or not. No. We're gonna read it next time, inshallah. I was talking about this lesson. Yeah, sukoon. So all these letters has sukoon and before dhamma, which has sometime before hamza, like this sakin, and before it hamza, which has fatha, which has kasra, which has dhamma. Okay, we have to read it like ab,
okay
ib, ub, at, it, ut, not ata, ite, ute. Inshallah, we will discuss it more when we're gonna read that lesson.
okay
But you remember, The qalqala letters are 5. How many letters are there are called qalqala?
5.
5. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Say qaf, ta,
Qaf,
ba, jim, dal.
Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal.
Okay, now listen to me carefully. Huruful maddi wal leen means mad letters and leen letters. In this lesson, we're going to learn mad letters, and the next part from here is starting, there is starting leen letters. Okay, so how to read mad letters? First, let's talk about mad letters. Mean alif, which has no haraka, empty from the harakas. So alif and fatha before it. If there is alif and fatha before it, that is called alif mad. It makes sense, like you have to make it longer. You have to make that alif longer, like ba fatha alif ba. Because if it
Ba,
would be
Fatha,
ba
Alif,
fatha,
Ba.
the sound is ba. Ba fatha ba. But if it has fatha alif, so ba fatha alif ba.
Ba, Fatha, Alif, Ba.
Yes. And yamad is like ya without any haraka, like ya has a sukun sign on it and dhamma before it. Alif, if that has fatha before it, that is alif mad, and waw has dhamma before it. So that is waw mad, like ba dhamma waw boo.
Ba, Dhamma, Wow, Boo.
This is waw mad. This one is waw mad. This one is alif mad. And ya, if ya has sukun sign on it or no haraka, but kasra before it. Because if the kasra before ya, so that is already sakin. That is, many time, almost time. Like we can say almost time, not every time, almost time that ya is sakin. So that's why there is sukun. There is no written sukun. Okay, there
Okay.
is no
Okay.
sukun on waw because it's understood that waw has a sukun sign and kasra and dhamma before it, so waw mad, and kasra before it, so ya mad. Ba kasra ya bi.
Ba, Kasra, Ya, Bi.
Now we have to pronounce all these three. Ba, bu, bi.
Ba, Bu, Bi.
Ta fatha
Ta,
alif ta.
Fatha, Alif, Ta.
Ta
Ta,
dhamma
Dhamma,
waw. Yeah, let's, okay, keep going,
Ta,
keep going.
Dhamma, Wow, Tu. Ta,
Perfect.
Kasra, Ya, Ti.
Ti.
Ti. Ta,
Repeat the sounds.
Ti.
Ta, tu, ti.
Ta, Tu, Ti.
Perfect.
Ta,
Next.
Ta, Fatha, Ta, Ta,
Hmm.
Ta, Dhamma, Wow, Su. Ta, Kasra, Ya, Ti. Ta, Si, Su. Ta,
Ta.
Su, Si.
Yeah. Su, si. Very good, mashallah. And now listen.
Ha,
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 fatha, alif, ha.
Ha,
Ha,
Fatha, Alif,
dhamma, waw,
Ha.
hu. Hmm. Okay, read.
Ha, Ha, Kasra, Ya, Hi. Ha,
Sounds?
Hi, Hu.
No, you are reading this sound before.
Ha, Hu, Hi.
Yeah, ha, ha, from your middle of throat. Ha, hu,
Ha,
hi.
Hu. Ha, Hu, Hi.
Perfect. Now this one is ha, one of the heavy letters.
Ha,
Ha, fatha,
Ha.
alif, ha.
Ha, Fatha, Alif, Ha. Ha, Dhamma, Wow, Hu. Ha, Kasra, Ya, Hi. Ha, Hi, Ha, Hu, Hi.
Yeah, make it heavy and longer.
Ra,
Ha,
Ho,
hu,
Hu,
hi.
Hi.
Okay, now listen to me, brother Sufyan. This whole table is similar. Whole table till here. And from here, lean letters start. Okay, lean letters start from here. So you have to practice the whole table, inshallah.
Inshallah.
That is very easy. Like, you have to remember which letter is light, which letter is heavy. So if the letter is heavy, you have to make a heavy sound. If the letter is light, you have to make a light sound. Like Hamza is a light letter. So Hamza, Dhamma, Waw, Oo. Simple. Hamza, Fatha, Alif, A. Hamza, Kasra, Ya, E. Okay. This one, Sad is heavy. So you have to make a heavy sound. Sad, Fatha, Alif, Sa. صاد ضمة واو صو صاد كسرة يا صي صا صو صي
صا سو سي.
Very good, mashallah. If like fa, fa is light. So fa fatha alif fa fa dhamma waw
ألف
fu. فا ضمة واو فا كسرة يا. Now repeat the sounds.
فا فو في.
MashaAllah, you got it. So you have to do the whole table on similar way. On the same way you have to do it, okay? All the letters are similar, but remember that these are three mad letters. Alif, which has fatha before it. Waw, which has dhamma before it. Okay? Ya, which has kasra before it. And you have to make it longer like two alif. Two alif. Like this, we just imagine this one is ba. So ba, fatha alif, ba. Okay, this one is ba, so two alif, equal to two alif, like ba, dhamma, waw, bu.
Ba, dhamma, waw, bu.
Just suppose this one is ba before it, so ba, kasra, ya, bi.
Bi.
Okay, you have to make it longer.
Okay.
You can say equal to two alif, equal to one alif, like ba, fatha alif, ba. You can say equal to two count, like one count, two count, one count, two count, one count, two count. I think I said two alif, not two alif, one alif, but equal to two count, like ba, fatha, ba, and ba, fatha alif, ba, ba. Okay, one count, ba, bi, bu. This one.
Ba, bi, bu.
Yeah, ba, bu, bi. Clear?
Bu.
Yeah, mashallah. So you are fasting today. First one is how much time? How much time will it take? Now what time? What time is it?
Half hour.
Half hour to iftar.
Yes.
Mashallah. So the iftar is ready now, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. So this was our first Tarawih. I just came after leading Tarawih prayer, Alhamdulillah. Now we started the class, and before 10 or 15 minutes, I came back from masjid. So inshallah ta'ala, maybe around which time we started? Around 10 or 15 minutes before every day, like every class, we will be starting. Before the time we start today, just for 15 minutes earlier, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Maybe I'll text you or call you that time. Like the past time, we we used to start the classes in the past days.
Yes.
So now you can say that you can schedule now 15 minutes later, 15 or 20
Okay.
minutes later from the old time. We'll be starting classes, inshallah.
If you can text me when we start, then it's
Okay.
gonna be good.
I can. I'll be I'll text you, or I'll be calling, inshallah. And one more
Inshallah.
thing, in Ramadan, maybe the classes are shorter. Maybe sometime.
Okay.
Okay. See you then, inshallah. Take good care of yourself.
Inshallah. You
Assalamu
too.
alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
Wa
Thank you.
alaikum.
Jazakallah khair.